Hello there, today we've got some algebraic fractions. I'm going to show you guys how to do these and simplify these down um, as much as possible, and I'm going to hopefully help you guys out. So you guys are going to be able to do algebraic fractions by the time you're finished with this video. Okay, this is a non-calculator uh, paper slash revision test. This is used for revision purposes on Mr. Bottom Maths. So I'm going to show you guys how to do some of this mathematics. And this is for the Edexcel GCSE Mathematics Linear 1MAO. So let's get into it. So here we have a question. This is a common simplify algebraic fraction question, and we are going to do it. So because we have an x squared term, there's going to be two parentheses on the top, and there's also going to be a fraction, and we're going to do the second parentheses on the bottom because it's an x squared. Whenever there's an x squared term, that means there's two terms. Yeah, so it's gonna also be like a quadratic kind of way. So we're gonna put the x's in here. If you guys know about algebra, so you put that in there, and then we have to find something which times together to make minus 6, and that is minus 3 times 2. And we can put that in times minus times 2. Right, am I correct? Yes, I am. Plus 2. Okay, and now on the bottom we do the same here. Let me just get something here, rip that out and bring it over a bit more. Over here. So what we'll do is we'll have to find something which times is to get 10 and adds to get minus 7. So 5 times 2 is our let me put it. I'm not very good with this. So 5 times 2, 5 and 2. That's what we could use here, but we need to make it a minus. So let me just put these in the brackets, whereas I probably should have done that in the first place. I'm not very organised. So we've got these in the brackets, and now we have to find something which adds up to make that, times is to make that, and adds to make that. So it's going to be a minus on a minus, because a minus plus a minus equal two minuses make a plus. So there we go. So, well, when they're times, so that's good. And then when they add, they just go up. So that'd be minus 7. So that is that. I've actually just realised I made a very small mistake. They are supposed to be on the other way around. I believe so. And they will cancel out. Those two will cancel out. Meaning that we have ourselves these two terms left. So that would be the answer: x plus 3 over. Let me just bring myself down a bit. Okay. Let me just get rid of this. Just bin it. So we'll have x plus 3, x plus 3 over x minus 2. Am I correct? So yeah, that is how you do that question. Okay, we go on to the next one now. So we have another one which says simplify that. So we're going to simplify this down as much as possible, and we will get there. So we'll do it now. So it's going to be pretty much the same as last time. I don't know why I've got the big pen out. The big pen, I'll get the smaller pen because it's easier to write. So we're going to have the two brackets on the top. I'm writing pretty large, so make sure you guys can see this on all platforms. And we have just like the one before, we have the 2x terms here, because we're going to do x times x equals x squared. I'm going to do we're going to find something which goes into 15 and 8. So, you know, 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 15, and because they're going to have to be minuses, because minus times minus equals a plus, as I just said, and we're going to, um, because it's an add, uh, because we're adding them together, it goes up, so 3 plus 5 equals 8 plus the minus, and then we've got that. So, how you understand that? I'm going to put that on there, and that's the top. And on the bottom, we are going to have we're going to have our 2x, because we've got the 2, sorry, 2x, and then we're going to have another x. Okay, so we'll put that there, and then we're also going to have a I think we're going to have a plus 3, and a minus 5, I think. Yeah, a plus 3 and a minus 5, because that equals that. Okay, so we're going to put a plus 3 and our minus 5 here. So now we've got these two, and these two will cancel out, leaving us with x minus 3 over 2x, 2x plus 3. And that is your answer in the end of that. Alright, I'll do a couple more for you guys, and we will, when we're doing that, I always forget that I have the thingy-wingy. Sorry, I'm not very good with words, I would say. So I'm going to express the top one. This one's different now because it's going to be only one bracket, because we've only got we've got one term over here, but because we haven't got 3 digits. So. We're going to put a p here as well, because p times p equals p squared, and we're going to do a actually, what have I done wrong? Ooh. What have I actually? Oh, okay. I have done something wrong. Why did I do that? It's not going to be that. Sorry, I was just thinking. It's getting. I was just. It's going to be a two top again, and I think one bottom, because of the thing. Because we can. So it's going to be p times p here. And then what times is to make 9, which is 3 times 3, and it's going to be a plus 3 and a minus 3, and then we're going to find something which we can put a 2 on the top here, and we're going to put p plus 3, and as you can see here, those two cancel out, meaning we have p minus 3 over 2. And that's the answer for this question. Okay, we'll go down and do some more. Now this one's not as that hard really. I think this one's doable, so I'll do this one for you guys. We're gonna have ourselves I believe, another one, and we're gonna find. We're gonna put 3x outside here and a 2x inside of here, because 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared. And we're going to put a plus 1, because 3x times 1 equals 3x, so that is that. And now we're going to have to go over here, and we're going to do our brackets again now. And it's going to be 2x. Made the brackets a little small there. Made the brackets a little small. Okay. And it's going to be 2x 2x plus 1 and 2x x minus 1. And then these two will cancel out, and on top we'll have 3x over 2x minus 1. And that is the correct answer for that one. Okay, now let's look for a more challenging question. Okay, so we've got this fraction here. We'll do this fraction. Its simplest form. Okay, so what you have to do, you've got to remember some principles of taking an algebraic fraction and adding it together and everything. So I'm going to go through it. This is worth 3 marks, and I'm going to do it for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a common denominator, and here we do not have a common denominator. Okay, so what we're going to do is something called forcing the denominator. So basically what you do is you get the denominator from this one, which is x minus 4, and put it into this one, which would just be x minus 4. Although we've done that, we have to also get the x minus 4 and put it into this as well. So it'll be x, be the brackets. I've done brackets around the thing, making many mistakes today. We're going to get the brackets. We're going to put x plus 4, and we're going to get another bracket. We're going to put x minus 4. So that's all over 1, all over that. And then we're also going to plus, and we're going to take this one, x plus 4, and put it in the top, but it's actually going to be 2, only because it was 1 over here. It means it's 1 of that, so we don't have to put it in a bracket and expand. So we're going to put x plus 4 in here, and then we're going to do exactly the same as we did on the bottom here. We're going to have x minus 4 and x plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to expand this first, and so it'll be the top will be x minus 4 plus 2x, because 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4, which is 8, and then we're going to plus them together, so it's going to be x plus 2x, which is equal to 3x, and minus 4 plus minus 8, which is going to be plus 4, sorry, and that's all going to be over that. So if I just write this up here so I don't forget, and I'll clear it out for you guys. So we're going to have, let's quickly go along, it's not that fast, but I'll do it for you guys, and we'll have that 3x plus 4, I'll just get rid of it and I'll do 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 over x plus 4, and you don't expand the brackets, I believe, so, and x minus 4, and that is the end of the question and the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, it was really great, and I'll see you guys in the next video when I do some surface area of cones. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.